Hi, I'm Clara from ALM company. Today I'm here to introduce our lead screw. Firstly, let's take a look. Our trapezoid lead screw diameter from 2mm to 120mm, and the lead nut material can be PLM, brass, bronze, nylon, and so on. The lead screw shaft material can be stainless steel and carbon steel. ALM trapezoid screws have many advantages, such as self-lubrication, smoothly move, long service life, and anti-corrision, and so on. The lead screw nuts and shaft end machine can be customized according to your drawings. Above all, our lead screw MOQ is one set. Feel free to contact us for order.